How to spy on competitors' Facebook ads for free. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you the ways on how you can spy on competitors' Facebook ads for free. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then update your application. Now if you're looking to gain a competitive edge in your Facebook advertising campaign, one effective strategy is to spy on your competitor's ad. Now fortunately, there are several free tools available that can help you do this. So I'm going to be showing you or providing you with a list of free tools that you can use to spy on competitors' Facebook ads. First of all, there is this particular application that is AdSpy. Now AdSpy is a free Facebook ad spy that allows you to view live ads from competitors and filter them by country, ad type, and industries. AdSpy also provides advanced research features, including the ability to search by keyword and filter by ad age and engagement. You can go to your Play Store and then look for those particular applications. So head over to your Play Store and then type in AdSpy. You can see there are list of applications available on Play Store. You can go through it all, and now one of the best way is the Social Beta. Now Social Beta is a marketing intelligence tool that offers a free Facebook ad intelligence features which allow you to view and analyze Facebook ad by country, industry, and creative type. Social Beta also provides advanced research or search features, including the ability to search by keyword and filter type. So these were some of the tools that can help you spy on your competitors' ads on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next